Use boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs for quick and easy cooking. Cut the chicken into thin, bite-sized pieces for quick and even cooking. Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes to help tenderize it and add flavor. Use a hot pan or wok to stir-fry the chicken until it's browned on all sides and just cook through. Set the chicken aside and stir-fry the vegetables in the same pan until they're tender but still crisp. Use a sauce that's a balance of savory, sweet, and salty to flavor the dish. Combine the chicken and vegetables in the pan and stir-fry everything together until everything is coated in the sauce and heated through. Serve the stir-fry over steamed rice or noodles for a complete meal. Experiment with different types of vegetables such as bell peppers, snow peas, or bok choy for a variety of flavors and textures. Add garlic, ginger, or red pepper flakes to the dish for extra flavor and heat. To make the dish more filling, consider adding in some cashews, almonds, or other nuts for crunch.